When heavy winter rainfall combined with a wet summer caused repetitive slips along the Coromandel's Blackjack Road, this 80 metre section of road slumped approximately 1 metre, reducing access to one lane for tourists and residents making their way to Opito Bay. To rebuild the shoulder, Pinnacle Civil turned to DuraMesh Panels lined with BioWool, creating a retaining wall that could be vegetated to blend in with the natural surroundings. Following the elevation of the road, this 94 metre long, 2 metre high, curved DuraMesh MSE wall with strata-grid tieback was designed with a 70-degree angle to imitate the natural slope of the surrounding land. The design also included a layer of DuraFlow drainage composite, which was placed against the cut face to remove the need for drainage aggregate, as well as a layer of BioWool, which will be wrapped inside each DuraMesh panel. This would then be hydroseeded to allow vegetation to grow. Work began by clearing slip material and vegetation from the site. To shape the bank and fit the design, the cut face was excavated 2.5 metres from where the DuraMesh wall would be placed. A 110mm subsoil drainage pipe was placed against the bottom of the cut face to disperse water collected within the armour flow. With tight working conditions, the DuraMesh panels and strata-grid were delivered from Thames to the site only when required. Easily cut and placed to fit the curvature of the design, the DuraMesh panels were hog-tied together with a BioWool layer pressed into the panels before strata-grid was placed. Bracing hooks were pressed through the BioWool to lock the 70-degree angle in place. Backfill was then compacted in 150mm lift. Reducing traffic to one lane, the eastbound lane was stripped back to sound pavement. It was then re-levelled and resurfaced with new curb and channel once the DuraMesh wall was complete. Now hydroseeded, natural vegetation will slowly take over, allowing the DuraMesh wall to blend in with the surrounding environment.